Okra soup is one of the most nutritious soup in Nigeria, and it cuts across all ethnic groups. Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef MMN, and on this channel I create video on how to make Nigerian and international food, pastries, drinks, and lots more kitchen related content. In today's video, I'll show you how to make okra soup. Please stay tuned and watch to the very end and like this video so others can see it. I'll first of all cook my proteins. I have cow head, goat meat, and offals. I'm also adding my stockfish. I'll go ahead and season this with salt and mix it properly. I'll also be adding onions. Onions is going to help the meat to tender and cook fast. I add in some water, cover it up and allow it to cook. I open up and check and all my proteins are well cooked. Set it aside, put some palm oil in a pot and add in onions. This palm oil is not bleached. Immediately I added the palm oil, I add my onions and I go ahead and add some pepper mix. Pepper mix, I added shombo and tatashe, that's chili pepper and cayenne pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. Fry this till it's well fried, then go ahead and add in all my proteins one by one. And I have my fish, clean fish. You can either use this fish or you can use any fish of your choice. So I add in there, go in with my bouillon cube and some salt so that the fish will have good taste, guys. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly join the family by subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. My fish is well cooked. I'll remove it and set it aside so it will not break in the course of turning the soup. I'll bring it in at the right time. So keep watching and enjoy this video. So I'm done removing all my fish. I will go ahead and add in my crayfish. After adding crayfish, I add in some scotch bonnet pepper. You can also use habanero pepper. Add some more water for the soup. Mix it properly. Cover it up and allow it to boil, then open it and add in my okra. I shade my okra into two. This is the minced okra. I also have a portion that I chopped into bigger sizes to thicken the soup more. This minced size, help the soup to be slimy. This okra soup is the party style okra soup. This okra is fresh, thick, and very delicious. I want you to try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. So after incorporating my okra properly, I will allow it to boil. Then I will go in with my remaining part of the okra that I cut into bigger sizes, guys. And give that a proper mix. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share my videos, and comment. I want to hear from you in the comment section. So this is the seafood I'll be using for this okra soup. I'm using oyster. We call it nkop in my dialect. So this is very yummy. If you have periwinkle, the removed periwinkle, you can also use it. I do combine both periwinkle, oyster, and any seafood readily available. Okra soup is rich vegetable soup, very rich vegetable soup. Try this out and enjoy it with your family this holiday, guys. So I'm adding in my fish and my soup is almost done. This is the perfect consistency I like for my fresh okra soup, guys. So carefully incorporate that in and allow it to boil for another 1 minute. Then add in OZUZA leaf. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I use OZUZA leaf. You can use fluted pumpkin leaf, green leaf, or spinach, any vegetable that is readily available to you. And my soup is ready. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I would like you to try this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, subscribe, comment, share my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I want to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always stopping by. If you are new, don't forget to join the family. See you in my next video. Bye.